Colors in the existing barangay hall was replaced with neutral natural colors as it creates a psychological effect that makes the room appear deeper and bigger. As neutral colors are friendly and transitional against other colors, this also made it possible for other color decorations to sit in the future. The wood gemelino was used to contrast and accent the white walls in the background. The use of wood contributes to natural light and adds warmth in the interior. Mangroves were featured in the design details as the area where the barangay hall was built is abundant with mangroves. Mangrove-inspired details can be seen in the glass frames and desk legs. Furniture was also made from gemelina from the Purok gemelina itself of the barangay, which is said to be copious with gemelina trees. By incorporating local materials and culture in the interior, a cultural domino effect is created which can inspire foreigners to absorb domestic culture in their lifestyle.